Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I'm going to be doing a Natalie Attired unboxing. Okay, so I just opened up my box. This is what the box looks like inside. Really pretty. Let me go ahead and grab the bundle out. Okay, so here is my bundle. So in this box, I asked for cruise clothes. So I do have some denim in here, it looks like. Some white. And a really pretty floral, like springtime floral. Let me grab these out real quick. There's the other side. Really pretty. It's starting to fall apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and break this open. Get done with the noisiness. Okay. So you get a personalized note from your stylist, which I will read after I get everything ready and together. I am, as some of you know who already subscribed to me, I'm legally blind and I'm unable to read regular print. I do have to use machines and like my iPhone to take pictures of things and enlarge them so I can see it. So I will do this for this letter right here that she gave me a personalized note from the stylist. Okay, there is my invoice. And this is your shipping bag. So anything that you do not want, you just put in the bag and it ships back for free. Easy. So Natalie Attired is a styling service that you can go onto and you can schedule your boxes to come. Like I went in there and said, I'd like my box to come around March 5th or 7th or, you know, somewhere in there. And so my box actually just came. So I'm excited to see it. Natalie Attired sends you 5 items customized to your profile that you fill out. Your stylist will look at your profile. She'll go in and pick you 5 items out that you cannot see these items. Like on Stitch Fix, you can go in and kind of like act like you're checking out after they've mailed it and kind of see what you have. I have not seen anything like that on the Natalie Attired website. So from my knowledge, unless somebody else knows, you can't look at those. They do have a very good discount system though. So Stitch Fix, you have to buy all 5 items to get 25% off. Fashom, that I also do, gives you a it's either 20 or 25% off if you buy 3 or 4 items, and then 30% off if you buy all 5. And the same with Natalie Attired. I'll look at my form in just a minute. I'm not exactly sure if it's 20 or 25% off for 3 or 4 items, which is good because you might want to just get 3 of the items instead of buying the whole box because maybe 1 or 2 things were not things you liked, not your style, didn't fit you exactly correctly. So I will let you know. And we'll go ahead and start. Okay, so this is my first item. This is the Ginger Royal short sleeved top, and it is $36. Size small, this one is size small. And this right here, the knot that's in there, it can be untied. So you can knot it yourself, or you can untie it and tuck it into your jeans or shorts and just do a front tuck or half tuck. The back area is a lot longer than the front, which I really like. So it's not bad, $36. It's very comfortable. It is very stretchy. It's like a really lightweight t-shirt. I like it, especially for cruise. So I did ask for cruise clothes, and I think she did an excellent job on picking me out to cruise clothes because this is definitely, I would wear this on a cruise. Okay, second item. Okay, so this is my next item. This is made by Tribal. These are the shorts, the Bermuda shorts. They're called Flatten It Bermuda Short in white. These are $56. They are very comfortable. They are still a little bit tight on my waist. So as some of you know, I've had a lot of surgery, so I have a lot of scars. I have to be very careful of what I wear because it will set the nerves off in my body. And so the waist part can't be tight. So this is just a little tight. The rest of them fits perfectly. It goes almost all the way to my knees. And yes, do not mind white legs. Been in the jeans and sweats all winter. So time to break out shorts for summer, right? So here are these. And they would be perfect for a cruise because you could wear this outfit to dinner with just a little pair. I have my Skechers sandals on, and you could just wear this for a casual dinner on a cruise because they basically reach my knees. So they're really cute. Okay, next item. Okay, so here's my next item. This is the, let me see. It's the crepe floral ruffle sleeve top. Say that again. Made by Diva. It is a crepe material. I noticed that when I took it out. It does have, let's see if I can bring this up a little bit. You guys can see it's got like a double ruffle. It has the little openness in the front, kind of like a keyhole in the front, but it also has the keyhole in the back. So it's like a rounded hem. It's cute. What do y'all? Okay, item number 4. These are the Tribal Bermuda shorts. I still cannot tell if they kind of look light gray to me, but you know, I don't see very well, so they might be a light denim. They are a pull-on style. They also go down, actually, they go right to my knees. They do have a double pockets in the back. And then there's the one coin pocket in the front. It's really cute. Still the same issue. Everything fits around here real good, but then when it comes to my waist, it doesn't have enough stretch for me to bend and sit and be comfortable and my scarring and stuff not be bothering me. So I'll probably send these back along with the white ones. I love the navy top or the royal blue striped top so far. That is like my favorite. And then this one's cute. It's very spring. I love the little opening. That's really cute. And the little flutter sleeve. So this one, I think is it's $32. So these from Tribal are $69 and this is $32. Okay, I have one more shirt. Be right back. Okay, this is my last item. This is made by Les Amis. I think that's how you say it. It is coral with striping on the side. Go ahead and bring that up so you can see. So it's a rounded hem. I think they're both the same length. I don't think it's a high-low at all. I probably would take this and tuck it in and wear it as tucked in, only in the front, and then in the back, this is what it looks like. And it's about a 3/4 sleeve almost. It doesn't quite come to my elbows. It comes in between my shoulder and my elbows. It's like a mixed media because the arms have that blousey, like button down dress shirt feel. And then the bodice of the shirt has a t-shirt, stretchy t-shirt feel. And I love the rounded neck. I love that you can wear some jewelry right down in the middle there and it be seen. This I think is cute. So I have 2 shirts that I really like, and you can get a discount, 20% off if you buy 3 or 4 items, 30% off if you buy the whole box. So I will not be able to buy the whole box because I cannot wear the shorts for any length of time. So definitely those are out. So the 3 shirts are what I'm looking at. So let me see what my total is going to be. Okay, so my box is $232 before the discounts. So with the you'll take 30% off of all 5 if I was to buy that, or 20% off of the 3 that I am looking at. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite piece is, if any. So far, I mean, I really, really like the feel of the striped shirt. I am just a comfy, easygoing person. I don't dress up a lot. Even where I work, we basically wear kind of a uniform type thing. So I basically wear khakis or you know, slacks at work. And I don't go a lot of places where I get dressed up, really dressed up. So like I said, give me your thoughts. Let me know if you like any of these items on me. I appreciate the feedback. So this is my second Natalie Attired box. I think they did good. I did keep one piece out of the first box. And I'm like a lot of other ladies, if I don't love it, I'm not gonna buy it. Is it worth spending extra money? No, if I'm not gonna wear it. So I will find the pieces that I love to fill the spots in my wardrobe with that need filling, and then move on to the next box. So I just want to say thank you to Natalie Attired. I think that you did a great job on my box. I do really like everything. It's just that everything didn't fit quite right. But thanks again. And to my subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. And those of you who are not subscribed yet, go down below, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, so you'll be notified when I put out new videos. So I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.